afternoon to all of you all. Thank you so much for being here. As you can see, this is a very low budget production, which is why the only people who are here are the ones that Neha didn't have to pay. You love me, really. But seriously, welcome to all of you. As her friend, I'm super proud. And I know all of us are, and we're excited for her. So going no holds barred, Neha Dhupia is back with season 3 of her popular audio show, No Filter Neha, on Saavn. Presented by OnePlus, the show covers everything from fashion to Bollywood and has never before heard uncensored stories that Neha is known for drawing out from her celebrities. And that takes a true talent. I mean, I don't think anybody anticipated the kind of noise she would create with the show except for Neha, because she knew how well she'd do it. Co-created by global streaming service Saavn and Neha Dhupia's Big Girl Productions, No Filter Neha has become the most streamed celebrity podcast last year. And season 3 promises to be bigger, no pun intended, Neha. Better, even more fun and quirky. The 12-episode series will feature one celebrity every week at their candid best, starting from tomorrow, the 9th of October. So to tell you more about No Filter Neha is the one and only Miss No Filter herself. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome my dearest friend, Neha Dhupia.
A very good afternoon to everyone here. Thank you so much for coming. More importantly, thank you so much for being here. And up to sabko pata chal gaya that everybody's here for free. My closest friends is Gaurav, there's Soha, and of course, Angad. But about the show, we're very, very proud. The entire Saavn team's here, and they've been doing an absolutely fantastic job. We've got Unni, who's been here ever since season 1. Mansi, our fabulous writer. There's Bikram, who just jumped in on season 2, and I think he wants to quit already. But yeah, it's been fantastic working with Saavn and co-producing this show. It's also very, very close to my heart because not only am I the host on the show, but we're also co-producing. And if it wasn't for Saavn and their faith in Big Girl Productions, which happens to be my production company, I don't think we would have come this far. The fact that we're in season 3 means a lot to us. And more importantly, I feel like no talk show is complete without the amazing guests that that anybody would get on the show. So we've had a great bunch this year as well. We've got an AV with 10 amazing guests. We usually do a season with 12. We've got 2 more to go. And I'm not going to talk too much. Sophie said enough. Do you guys want to? Yeah.
I think we're going to show you a little sneak peek from the show.
Sure. Yeah. Let's take a look at what we've done till now on season 3.
Yeah, don't be stingy with the talis. As always, Neha set an example by starting this podcast and then killing it even when she's preggers, looking fantastic and working hard. But we have to invite 3 very important people on stage who are, I guess, friend, philosopher, and guide, and you guys can figure out which one is which, because I don't want to get in trouble. You, I don't know. I wasn't associating to you at all when I mentioned that. Friend, philosopher, guide, you're none of those. But still, I have to call you up at some point. Before you, ladies first, actor, writer, fitness enthusiast galore. I don't know how you look like this. Yeah, you look like this straight after having one of the cutest babies in town, the one and only Soha Ali Khan, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, I've always called him Angad Body, and now he has a body of work to back it up. His show, Inside Edge, has been nominated for the Emmys. Unfortunately, he still hasn't figured out what that is. But nonetheless, he's here today, Angad Bedi. Pair Parana. And last but not least, host, cricket buff, a VJ from another channel that I really never knew existed. But most importantly, one of the only people who is invited to Neha and Angad's wedding, the one and only Gaurav Kapoor.
Funnily,
It's on.
not so funnily, the channel doesn't exist anymore.
I know. Well, ladies and gentlemen, these are three very important people, part of Neha's life, know too many things about her, and for some reason they've agreed to spill the beans. पहले photo करें? नहीं, photo बाद में अच्छी आएगी. बाद में. Guys, take a seat. All good? Gaurav, you are
Soha,
now
nice to meet
you are
you.
now Soha. Okay, so listen, we're gonna keep this fun. We're gonna keep it short and sweet because that's really what the show's about too. I'm gonna be asking each of these guys something about Neha, a story you probably don't know, but they know too well, and then we'll take it from there. Soha, you're up first. Why is Neha blacklisted from your game night?
From game nights. It just so happened that she said we want to play and we just stopped playing. I don't know how that happened.
But why was it? One second. Why was that?
Because she's a big fat cheater cock.
I agree.
She's
And a sore loser.
and a sore loser and so competitive, and she cannot play one game without cheating.
And really,
without
she's really bad also.
And she's really bad, so nobody wants her on the team really. But so we just decided to just we started another group, and she doesn't know about it until now that we actually continue playing on Wednesday nights.
I'm heartbroken.
We can see. So
Yeah.
wait, so you have a new game night that she doesn't know about and she just learnt about it right now?
Yeah, now we're going to have to change it from Wednesdays to Thursdays.
To another day and form another group.
And
Okay.
then I'm just going to arrive there as well.
Yeah.
Basically, they can't handle the fact that I'm so good and I win.
Oh, Neha, FOMO is an issue?
No, I don't. But I definitely, like, when I get invited somewhere and if I don't reach a certain place, I mean, I always go there, but I go late. And then Angad's like, you want to just not go for this party? And I'm like, no, I don't want to go. And then 10 minutes later, I'm like, yeah, but what if it's a lot of fun? Let's just go check it out. So yeah, I do have fear of missing out.
Although I do want to tell you around last February, not this February, Manish happened to throw a birthday party for me.
Yeah.
And Neha was very torn because our birthdays are one day apart, Angad and me. They were
the party
supposedly not seeing each other at that time. And Neha was at my party, and every 10 minutes she kept saying, I have to go to Angad's, I have to go to Angad's. But Angad, I just want to tell you, at that point in life, she chose me over you.
The party which I wasn't invited to, so it's fine.
At least that was just a party, not a wedding.
Yeah, that was a party, not a wedding. Oh!
But you invited Soha.
Well, I wasn't.
Another
Was I?
story. That is
Oh, we
another
have to
story.
take this up.
Angad, shukar mana that you were invited to your own wedding. The way things went.
Okay,
I'm glad I made it.
so Angad, since we're talking about, you and Neha, a person that Neha Dupia could hook up with and you won't get upset.
What is that question?
What
ये
is that
कैसा सवाल है?
Question? ये
That-
नहीं
these,
पूछ
are the,
सकते हो।
these are the kind of questions you ask your guests on No Filter Neha, which means that,
But-
it's your turn now.
But Neha is very sanskari.
Yeah, see,
Neha
my
very
बहुत-
friends, my
बहुत
friends
वो
know
sanskari
me.
है. George Clooney.
No, I think it has to be me.
No, it can't be you. It has to be somebody else. Put your Punjabi-pun to one side for a second and think of somebody else.
I love the way Gaurav is discussing it with Angad and helping him out.
She does not have the ability to hook up with people. Trust me. Let me tell you that.
तो
So it
तुम
has
दोनों
to
तो
be
भाई
me.
बहन हो ना?
Can I answer that?
Yeah, please, can you? Because I know that you have a certain pop icon that you would love to hook up with.
Madonna?
No, but you're close. You're close.
I?
Yeah.
J-Lo.
J-Lo.
JLo, कौन इनको झेलेगा? Yeah, but Angad
So
told me
if we
categorically, if JLo ever shows any interest in him, he's gonna leave me for her.
So he's
You
allowed
think?
J-Lo and
Okay,
you're
so he's allowed J-Lo, and who's she allowed?
No, Nehal never do it.
She's also allowed J-Lo.
Oh, what are you saying? The press is here.
That's the one. That's the headline.
That's the headline.
Okay.
A threesome with J-Lo.
Allowed J-Lo.
Okay, basically,
Fuck
Angad.
J-Lo.
Okay, so you refuse to answer. Chalo. Gaurav Kapoor, what is the most annoying thing about Neha's timing, and over the years, has it gotten any better?
Chalo, the good thing you said is that what's the most annoying thing about her timing. You put a topic. Because if you had just said what's the most annoying thing, इन लोग की दिन की सारी अपॉइंटमेंट कैंसिल करनी पड़ती है टाइमिंग पे भी 1 घंटा तो कैंसिल करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि फॉर नेहा it's I call her on the way. She's on the way, Neha. Always on the way. She will, if she reaches a party 2 hours after the stipulated time or when she said, that means she's still 1 hour early according to her clock. That's what I'll say about it. And over the years, it has not, it's not got better. It has gotten much worse. It keeps getting worse. Yeah, it's a moving goalpost now. It just keeps moving further away.
What's amazing is that there was this one time that Gaurav and Kirat had invited us for a movie. They were like, the movie is at, I think they said 3:30. And we got there and it was just like, oh my God, we're so late. It's like 4:20 when we reached for the 3:30 film. And Kirat, Gaurav's very lovely wife, she's like, no, you're fine. You're on time. Because the movie's actually starting at 4:30, but we told you 1 hour in advance.
So हम ऐसे करते हैं. We pad the time by an hour, like a movie, flight, all these things you have to pad. And if you're calling her for dinner, you have to say 5 p.m.
Yeah.
So that she shows up before.
But if you're an hour late for her brunch, she sunaus you.
Yeah. She was like, oh, you're so late. I was like, no, on time.
Angad Bedi has now discovered he has one more talent, which is singing. I don't have.
You can dedicate the song to me later.
Angad wants to dedicate a song for Neha, and it would be really nice अगर आप सब लोग जरा तालियां बजा के उनको encourage करेंगे.
क्या गाना है? क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो क्या रहा है? सुनाओ गाना.
एक बार baby selfish होकर हो गया होकर है.
Covering my face, I can't believe he's doing this. Yeah, it's a real.
That you know.
अपने लिए जियो ना. अपने लिए जियो ना. Okay, our wonderful audience and press are wondering what's going on, but it's just Angad's way of trying to make a statement clearly about you.
That I'm selfish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I never said that. Yeah. You didn't? Okay. Well, you are going to answer this, but before
Steer
that,
it away, Sophie.
I'm steering it away quickly to Soha, who is going to tell us about the call you got telling you that Angad was getting married, and how did you find out who he was getting married to?
So I have to say that they were seeing each other for a while. I don't think many people knew. I don't know when we found out.
I don't know. What do you term a while?
Exactly. I don't know. But it was little like Chupa Rustum type. And then...
Like it started about 5 days before the blind item came out on us.
Right. And then I got a call from my mother one day. I think Neha and Angad forgot that Bishan uncle is a very good friend of my parents. And my mother called me and said, are you coming to Delhi tomorrow? And I said, no, I'm not coming to Delhi tomorrow. And she said, well, Angad's getting married. And I thought, oh no, who's going to tell Neha, bichari, किसी और से शादी कर रहा है. So I said, मुझे उसको phone करना पड़ेगा, किसी को तो बताना पड़ेगा. I said, so then I called like other close friends and said कि कौन बताएगा बिचारी now, because it was, I mean, according to me, it was a new relationship. इतनी जल्दी शादी कौन करता है? So anyway, so then I called Neha and I thought from the tone of her voice I'll be able to understand, but she wasn't sounding very heartbroken. And I said, where are you? She said, I'm in Delhi. So I said, oh, I see. At the time. And that's when I realized that Angad is actually marrying Neha. Yeah.
No, none of us found out directly.
My mother told me.
Yeah, by the way, your mother and me were on a flight a few days after that, and she was still very perplexed by the whole matter.
Yes.
And she said, "Ye kaise? Matlab, itni jaldi shadi."
I know.
Then they haven't done a party also. This is not good. They should do a party. I said, Auntie, I will tell
Just
them.
for the
We'll
record,
call them and tell them.
For the record, they still haven't done the wedding party, but it's okay.
But you're
we've
saying
had
you got a
another
call
party.
from your mum.
Yes.
I got a call, and this is very interesting because again, Bishpa told Ajay Jadeja. Ajay called Ashish Nehra, and anything you tell Ashish Nehra spreads like BBC in 5 minutes, right? वो ऐसे फैल जाता है, ठीक है? तो आशु का फोन आया मेरे को. अबे ये क्या कर रहा है अंगद बेदी? मैंने कहा क्या हो गया? कहता अबे कुर्ता प्रेस करवा ले, कल शादी है सुबह. मैंने तो करवा लिया प्रेस. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. And luckily that time I had a missed call from
No, but
Neha,
then Neha
so-
also then on the phone only said, if you can come tomorrow, then please come.
Yeah, it was a very half-hearted invitation, but I'm besharam I
You
went.
still reached.
I reached, yeah.
We'll discuss my invitation later.
Why are we so quiet, Angad?
आप दोनों
Yeah,
तो
it's
कुछ ना
best.
ही बोले तो अच्छा है.
चलो अंगद आपसे पूछते हैं one thing you'd like to change about Neha. Tread carefully.
देख भाई, ये ना गुगली बॉल है, ठीक है? संभाल के खेलियो इसको.
Jump out करोगे तो भी out होगे,
हाँ,
खड़े रहोगे
तो भी आउट हो.
Change.
अच्छा है वो दरवाजे के पास है, वहीं से निकाल देना गौरव उसे.
A sense of timing for sure. That can change.
That can change.
Yeah, she can be on time for once.
पर comedic timing कितनी अच्छी है.
बहुत.
Was she on time for the wedding? Was she on time for the wedding? पहुंच गई थी?
No.
Oh.
That was, my mother-in-law is here, wherever she is. Where?
There. Babs Dupia.
Yeah, we were all there and we were waiting for about, what, an hour and a half? It's normal. It's pretty normal.
It's not बड़े
No, so
बड़े
I'll
experience
tell
से बोल रहे हो अंगद बेदी.
I'll tell you what happened the morning of the wedding is that I was supposed to get up at 6 and we have another ceremony where we have to put the chura and stuff. So what happened was I just pressed snooze a few times and instead of waking up at 6,
आदत नहीं है इनको पता नहीं था ना इनकी शादी है.
so I woke up 2.5 hours late. So that started late, and then when I started getting ready to get to the Gurdwara, Angad called me, and I thought he's probably going to be an hour or so. He's like, "Where are you? I'm here." And I said, "Oh, reaching, on the way, on the way." And then later on again, he was just like, "Where are you? I'm here." I'm like, "On the way." And then he was like, "Just tell me right now, are you going to make it? Or you're not coming? I can't wait longer. I've waited for an hour and a half." And I was like, "Yeah, I'm just getting there." But I mean, to wake up 2 hours late and then finally making it about an hour late for your wedding is not so bad.
You made up time.
Well, I just want to tell you all, if you want to know any more snippets or stories about how they got married, how they started dating, and all kinds of other gory details, उसके लिए आपको No Filter Season 3 में अंगद और नेहा का episode सुनना पड़ेगा, which I'm sure is full of all kinds of no filter things.
Actually, it's not that much about the wedding because I'm not asking him too many questions about the wedding.
Oh, then we'll just carry on.
But yeah, we've spoken a lot about his past life. Not past life, but whatever was going on.
His past life in Bandra, basically.
Yeah, past life in Bandra.
Past life in
Very
Bandra.
colourful life.
इन्ना
yes.
बीबा मुंडा हैगा साडा.
Hi, Biba Munda. To hear more
Innocent.
about this Biba body Munda, you must tune into No Filter. But one last question, since we're on weddings. Gaurav Kapoor, आपकी शादी पे Neha committed some sort of blunder or was about to. What was that?
नहीं नहीं ये दो ब्लंडर किए थे. एक तो सवेरे 4:30-5 बजे किया था.
क्या नहीं था कुछ?
एक blunder अंगद के साथ है, वो no show होने वाला था.
हाँ हाँ वो तो but that's fully expected.
What?
She called me once and she said, you know, I have to go to कहाँ जाना था तूने? South Africa. So I have to go to South Africa for a show. मैंने कहा तो जा. मतलब मैं कोई visa authority तो हूँ नहीं ना मैं. कहती है it's coinciding with your wedding dates. मैंने कहा ठीक है. So the thing is.
Call drop that time.
No, so what happened is that as anybody who's been married, and especially if you're a Punjabi, you know, a Punjabi wedding is tougher than organizing the Olympics. कि Olympics आसान होते हैं organize करने, पर Punjabi weddings में ज़्यादा events होते हैं. तो it was a very stressful time for me planning it.
इसलिए हमने
इन्होंने
इसलिए हमने किसी को नहीं बुलाया.
चुपचाप
Stress
village कबड्डी मैच की तरह कर लिया इन्होंने 10
Stress
लोग बुला के. So it was very stressful for me, and she called and she said, I can't. I was like, that's okay. It's your life. It's your choice. You make it. So she got really stressed because I didn't give a reaction. तो उसके बाद मेरे सारे घर वालों को फोन किया कि ये मुझसे नाराज है, मुझसे कभी बात नहीं करेगा, मुझसे कुछ नहीं करेगा, और फिर ये आ गई. तो I honestly did nothing except say okay because I had 20 things on my head. But she thought I was giving her guilt.
But it worked.
She showed up and she danced as well and she made a lot of noise as she always does, and actually showed up before the wedding was over. She showed up before
Listen,
the
I
Bhera.
organized the entire Sangeet. I got like 9 boys to dance.
Yeah, and she.
And we beat the girls' side. It was a big deal.
And you were the one who was messing up on the steps the most.
It's fine.
That's because I was dancing with two boys who were
But yes, she
left-handed.
organized. I have to
But
say,
what I
she
just wanna
organized
tell
the
you
dance
is-
performance. She did very well.
But Neha's always been an expert at making the boys dance to her tunes, and now we're about to put them all on the spot again. Neha, I'm still talking about your show.
Sorry.
Yeah.
She had something to say about me being late.
I was saying, I'm imagining when Neha must have announced that she's pregnant to Angad, she must have said, I'm late. He said, you're always late. इसमें क्या नई बात है?
And then he's like, oh, nahi baat suna.
Yeah, not that kind. Okay, so on No Filter Neha, there's a game that Neha plays with all the celebrities called I Keep or I Quit, and today we are gonna do the same with her. मैं इनके
I
दोस्तों
quit.
से-
चल भाई.
Already?
Chal.
Quit Neha movement. But now I'm gonna ask each of them what she would pick. Acha, like that. Well, it's really more choices, so only use this when you feel when you feel yes. This is also a fly swatter, which we've been gifted by Neha. So you won't be able to use this for all of them, but anyway, I'm gonna ask questions and Neha will hopefully answer honestly. So I keep or I quit. Angad, as usual, is unsure. Okay, here we go. The music, yeah. Please don't play the music. We have lots to talk about. Okay, so here we go for I Keep or I Quit. So, Soha, what would Neha keep? The Miss India title or her Bollywood career?
Good one.
Thanks.
Well done, Mansi.
Shut up.
I would say her. Oh, it's a tough one, yeah.
Of course, I'll ask you at the end, but
Her Bollywood career, I would say, because she's a practical, on-the-go, relevant person.
Bollywood career? Gaurav Kapoor, Bollywood career?
Yes. I'd say that because Miss India was one moment and the Bollywood career is
Is
long.
forever.
Bollywood career, obviously. That's an easy one. Yeah, that's easy.
I have to do like a keep. You're keeping your
For the Bollywood career. And you're keeping the friends also. Okay, so acting or producing? Gaurav, what was she? Acting or producing?
Right now it's reproducing.
Nice. Love it. I'm guessing that's right? You can't knock that one.
You can ask them, but it's fine.
Okay. Tumhari Sulu or Singh is king?
Which one would I keep? Which one would I quit?
Yeah.
यार तुम्हें award तो तुम्हारी सुल्लू के लिए मिला था.
I also think Tumhari Sulu.
तुम्हारी award मिला.
Gaurav?
Sing is
तुम्हारा उल्लू.
Sahi jawab.
Yeah, I'd go with Tumhara Ullu and Tumhari Sulu.
Lovely. What a beautiful combination. Manager or publicist?
Oh my God!
Oh. Manager or
Also in the room, my manager is also in the room.
Yeah, but I can only see one.
The manager's there.
manager or publicist? Come on. Angad, who is she gonna keep? The manager or the publicist?
Angad, you answer this last. Let Gaurav answer first. Okay.
भाई मेरे हिसाब से one is her दायां हाथ, one is her बायां हाथ. So I don't think she can lose anyone.
But it's no filter. They have to answer this question.
Yeah, you have to pick one.
Yeah.
Gotta pick sides.
पता नहीं सुबह से शाम दोनों को ही गालियां देती रहती है तो पता नहीं one of them I guess.
क्यों बोल रहा है?
Soha, manager or publicist?
I don't know. She's been trying to get rid of both, no? For a while.
No, it's not true.
I sent you some numbers, no? Managers.
Angad? Oh.
Rishi, you heard that? Mic पे बोल दे.
But listen, in the past, Neha would have left a guy for her maid anyway.
Which I have done.
Which she has done, by the way, for anybody wondering. If Neha was ever asked to choose between man and maid, she chose maid. Okay, next one. Trainer or stylist? ये तो बहुत easy है.
She'd keep the. I was going to say trainer because you also style yourself quite nicely, no?
Okay.
No.
Then I'll have
Trainer.
if there's not a general consensus, I'll answer.
Please answer.
Answer, please.
First, you answer.
Answer.
No, you have to answer first.
Trainer or stylist?
You'd keep your stylist.
Yeah, stylist.
Yeah, I keep the stylist.
Yeah, of course, it's Chola. All right, this is
So I was very upset. She wasn't like losing games.
I-
She lost a point.
okay. This is a good one. Social media or husband?
Social media.
Go on.
She'll keep social media. Instagram discover. Explore. Sorry, क्या होता है? Discover होता है कि explore होता है? Explore. Instagram explore.
Social media. Keep social media.
Guys,
And
no,
quit husband.
All of you are wrong. Speak truth. Okay, keep social media.
And she'll follow Angad on Instagram, so she'll know what he's doing anyway. ठीक है, लड़का ठीक है. He's doing well.
Okay.
Stop it. Mic हटाओ.
Acha, sleep or sex?
Can you talk to both? You've done both.
पर एक बात बताओ, शादी के कुछ साल बाद तो दोनों सेम ही हो जाते हैं.
Also, just reminding you, mother-in-law is in the house.
It's never affected him before. He's no filter in front of all parents, including mine.
By the way, mother-in-law knows how this happens, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's- okay, so Neha, would you like to comment? Since we know you like the snooze button.
We said both.
No, both is not an option. It's no filter. You have to go with one way. Angad, you want to answer first?
Yeah, we know what it is for you, but we want to know what it is for Neha.
भैया ये पंजाब का गबरू जवान है. इसने सवाल में सेक्स सुना, उसके बाद बाकी सवाल तो सुना ही नहीं इसने.
And Bedi.
Mike,
वे बोले ये तो अगर किसी एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में सेक्स लिखा होता है खड़ा हो जाता है. हाँ भाई कौन है?
he doesn't take F or M. He'll say yes, please.
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
Yes,
now.
please.
Ready?
But for Neha. Okay.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Good answer.
Sleep.
Chalo, nobody
Terrible
needs
answer.
to
Nobody needs to answer this. It's done. Okay. Okay. So last but not least, Karan Johar the friend or Karan Johar the director? Oh.
I'm not answering this.
You might have to.
No, I'd say Karan Johar the friend you'll keep.
Karan Johar the friend.
Of
Yeah.
course.
She'll keep.
200%.
Yeah, Karan Johar, the friend.
So
Like,
basically, he didn't direct you very well in Lust Stories, is what you're saying.
he directed me very well, but if I had to choose between him directing me and him being my friend, I'll go with him being my
I
friend.
think
Any
he directs you really well in life also.
Yeah.
Wow,
Wow, what a
nicely
answer.
done,
And that is what a good
Bedi.
friend does.
My goodness. And most important question of all, ladies and gentlemen, to us as your friends, Neha as a friend, keep or quit? Friends?
Kar do.
Ready? Angad, you don't really want to keep her, so that's... Up to.
Oh, so sweet.
अभी घर बुला के ऐसे क्या बोलेंगे थे ही बोलना पड़ेगा.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Neha has survived her own no filter Neha, as have her three very dear friends. I'm not saying there won't be any violence. There could still be some violence on stage. But thank you all very much for being here. No Filter Neha Season 3 begins tomorrow. Lots of fantastic guests. We do have one photo op to do for you. And uske baad, any questions? The floor will be open. Should we do the questions first? Any questions?
So, by the way, Soha and I were just discussing right now, like we both have not been invited on the show.
Hello.
Yeah, you've also, no,
Yeah.
we were discussing it.
Yeah,
So,
so
is,
I would like to get into. So this is basically her cheap way of getting us involved.
no. So Soha and I had a consensus and we want to clear it with you. Is it because you don't want to call people with a higher IQ than you on the show? Is that what it is? Is that's what we thought?
That's exactly what it is, and that's why
This is-
Angad made the cut.
See, this is how you insult half a dozen people in one comment. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Well
Thank
done,
you.
Gaurav.
All right, thank you, Soha, Neha, Angad, Gaurav, and the floor is
And
open.
thank you, Sophie. Thank you so much.
And love you guys, but I want to hear these questions, ladies and gentlemen. Kuch hai sawal? Mansi, any questions? Baby juice nahi peeti. Not that kind of juice.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. So Neha, this is with this special, it's a moment for you, and definitely you are a big girl now. So how big this show is going to be this season? How big, and what is the USP of this season like?
Okay. Thanks. मेरे तो कान सुन हो गए वो. Definitely you're a big girl सुनने के बाद. But I mean, the USP of the season is, of course, the fact that we're in season 3 now. We've got amazing guests. We're going, we're showing about more than what we usually show on Instagram. We're putting out about 2.5 to 3 minutes, even on video, so that people get to see more the behind-the-scenes content. And like every year, we always say this: the plus or the USP of every season has been the guests. And the research that we do. We go out of our way to get in touch with family and friends and people that our guests knew while they were growing up. And then when they hear the stories, they're like, oh my God, how did you find out all this? So just those little bits, and the fact that Sawan has got such a huge listenership and so many subscribers just makes it easy for us to boost our show as well.